Hi guys, it's Nina from VR Focus. I'm joined by...
Hi, I'm Claire Pietu from Optis. I'm an application engineer.
So tell me a little bit about Optis and what you guys do in virtual reality.
So we're a simulation company and we are focused on optical simulation. And what we do is we do really high fidelity simulations where you can visualize any kind of product that you have, whether it be a car, a truck, a plane, it can be any kind of application, a phone, where you want to preview it before I actually build it. We can help you do that. So the way we do it is that we have this scanner here, which helps us get all the information of any surface, and we can apply it to any geometry that we get from our customer. And then we can just visualize it in this way. So it can be in VR, in any kind of medium that you can imagine.
So we're talking about making realistic worlds with materials and components that you can change and alter according to what you want.
Yeah, exactly. So then you can check, different materials, different colors. You can do design reviews for your products. And it's not about just having something that looks beautiful, but it's something that looks real. Mm-hmm. And if you're going to make decisions based on what you see instead of the physical prototype, you have to make sure that what you see is true and accurate and corresponds to the real product. So that is really our focus.
So where are you guys being used right now? In what type of industries?
I would say our biggest industry is automotive. Every major OEM, automotive OEM in the world uses our software. Generally, it's used in engineering teams, so lighting teams. They use it to design the interior lighting of the car, exterior lighting, so headlights, head-up display, and also aerospace, defense applications, electronics. I would say automotive is our biggest market.
And how do you think virtual reality has helped, empower the way you would design materials?
The big power of virtual reality is that, as you know, it really immerses yourself, it immerses you in that scene, and everything's so much more real. And there are some decisions that you can make based on a screen, but if you're in there, you can really picture yourself in, like the car, and it's so much more real, so that really helps make you better decisions.
Mm-hmm. So what you showcased just now is a world in which you can alter the color of the car, the leather, and also change the environment in which the car was shown. But you also mentioned that there are interactive demos in which
Exactly, yeah. So what we can see here is just about visualization, but in other kind of contexts, we can do manufacturing demos, for example. We've worked on various projects in which we have an assembly line, for example, and you want to see if different parts are going to fit together. So we can do that. We can do factory layout, and then it becomes much more interactive. So you'll be moving around, you'll be trying to grab a part with your hands, and you can see your hands as well, which is really a big part because it has to feel like you're there. So we'll do layout checks and so on.
Can you tell me about sort of your relationship with NVIDIA? You mentioned that...
Sure. So we integrate some of NVIDIA's technology, so our progressive ray tracing, in which we integrate NVIDIA's denoising algorithm. What it does, it's an AI-based denoising algorithm, and what that means is that when we do simulations, we have a lot of noise, and it takes a lot of time to reach a satisfactory result. And what AI helps with is it helps you, it's been trained on similar simulations, and it helps converge more quickly towards the end result, so it really speeds up what we do.
So ray tracing in general is what you guys
ray tracing, optical simulation, and material and lights is where our expertise is.
Okay, and what are you hoping to do sort of in the future for virtual reality? How are you hoping to...
we're always following all kinds of new hardware. We have a few partners. We try all kinds of headsets, Oculus, Vive, Star VR, and we're always looking into what's new. So there's a lot of exciting stuff happening right now. And personally, I'm excited to see what's going to happen in AR because it's getting bigger and bigger, and it hasn't quite, it's not quite there yet, but I'm really excited about how it's going to be in the future.
Do you think that's quite useful for cars?
Right now, we're really focusing on VR, but I could see, AR being used more prominently, especially for training, maintenance, and being like in the actual real world and having that layer of added, value.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, in the manufacturing engineering area, that would be extremely useful. Okay, do you have a website that we can go to find out more?
Yeah, it's www.optis-world.com, and you'll find all the information there on our company.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Head over to vrfocus.com if you want to find out more about immersive technologies, and I will see you there. Thank you very much.
Thanks.